पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी में 55वीं एनुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ इंडियन फार्मेकोलॉजिकल सोसाइटी आईपीसी इप्सकॉन 2025 होने जा रही है। उसके चेयरपर्सन और यूआईपीएस के जो हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट है डॉक्टर अनिल कुमार, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी भी है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के, हमारे साथ हैं। थोड़ा सा इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में बताएंगे।
धन्यवाद जी साजन जी। ये कॉन्फ्रेंस साल में एक बार होती है and this conference is going to be a big mega event as it contain number of international speakers, delegates, national speakers from different countries, and this conference includes a lot of people, particularly the Naranjan S. Dhalla, who is a distinguished professor from Canada, is going to be a chief guest of this function, and guest of honor would be Dr. N. Zahir Ahmed, who is a Director General of CCRUM New Delhi, and along with this there are different speakers from Canada, US, Germany, Russia, Sri Lanka. They are also part of this program. This conference includes 26 symposia, and more than 1,000 or 1,200 people are registered for the conference, and more than 200 speakers are there in the conference. This conference includes different women forum, drug regulatory symposium, quiz sessions, oral presentations, orations. They are a part of the key part of the functions. There are different exhibitors are there in the conference. There are more than 25 exhibitors are there. We are planning to have interactions with different pharmacologists in this event. Thank you.
सर, ये किस तरह से जो है आम लोगों के लिए यूजफुल होगी ये कॉन्फ्रेंस?
Yes.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
I am Dr. Prakash Diwan, the former president of Indian Pharmacology Society. Before answering your question, I would like to tell few things about Indian Pharmacology Society. Indian Pharmacology Society was established about 55 years back in 1969, and where the people have understood why this pharmacology is very important. And today we have about 5,000 life members all over the country and abroad also. And this particularly every year we will be doing this conference at different places so that people will try to get an information about what is latest about drug discoveries, what things have been, what is the therapy, and there are a lot of discussions on the education, there will be a lot of discussions on the various sources for the drug discovery and other things. And apart from that, the best part this time, what we have made is many of the women scientists are not coming to forward for some of the conference. Therefore, first time there is a women forum has been already made, and they are the one, they have a symposium tomorrow, day after tomorrow, which will definitely encourage most of these things. And as far as general public is concerned, I think it is going to be more of a scientific, but there are some general topics are also there which will be useful for the people. Now, for example, as you asked very directly that what is India contributed for us drug discovery. There are many things. First and foremost, we talk about Shandonim is the one. Then you have Isabgol, which is from again Punjab University, which is the one which people can take in the area. Dabur is making that. So like that we have many things. But if you are asking for a drug discovery, it takes about 14 to 15 years to come to the market. And 15 years is a big deal. That's why many of these things are getting into artificial intelligence, which can reduce the cost from 15 million to 1 million. And the cost is reduced. Apart from that, the time taken 15 years, you can have in 4 or 5 years. And all those attempts are made, and this is all useful for patient safety and everything. That is how the public is going to get. And for example, when you said the vaccines, now many people are working on that so that we can get the best out of it. And these are the areas where people can discuss, and particularly this will be useful for the budding pharmacologist who can definitely be attractive more for the researchers. And there are many people, as you said today, this mega event almost about 1,200, and of that I feel that 700 to 800 should be youngsters. They are from the various institutes all over the country, and abroad also some of the people have come. And the exposure which they are getting mainly from the people who are coming abroad, and all the senior people of India are going to talk from industry, academia and researchers. and this is how the whole thing will be very useful for the people. And I think you are the people who can definitely be ambassador for our conference. Thank you very much for spend time with us, and we expect and we invite you rather for 3 days program which is going to be held at Punjab University. Thank you very much.
तो ये थे हमारे साथ इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आए हुए साइंटिस्ट, जिनका कहना है कि बहुत सारी ऐसी ड्रग्स हैं जो कि बनाई गई हैं और वो पब्लिक के बीच में गई हैं कमर्शियली, तो उनका काफ़ी फ़ायदा जो है लोगों को मिल रहा है। साजन शर्मा, कैमरामैन अजीत कौशल के साथ अर्थ प्रकाश के लिए।
ताज़ा अपडेट्स व बड़ी खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें आज प्रकाश टीवी और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।